Welcome to the world of jeans. Jeans are just those pieces that never goes out of fashion. No matter the time, no matter the way you style it, no matter the occasion you're going to attend, jeans fit perfectly well for every occasion. And you want to own a jean in your closet so that it can help you style those outfits for different occasions. So on today's video we are going to discover how we can be able to style jeans in 2025. Jeans are very comfortable, flexible and easy to style. You can style jeans for different occasions, whether for business meetings, for classic dates, for outings, for casual events. You can be able to style jeans and jeans fit perfectly well. There are different kinds of jeans. We have the slim leg jean, we have the wide leg jean, we have the bootcut jean. These all depend on your body shape and your body size, on what kind of jean you want to choose when styling these jeans outfit. On today's video I'm going to give you how we can be able to style different.
Got cold that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am.